Hi, crochet lovers! Are you wondering what to crochet in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or an advanced crocheter, I've got over 400 amazing crochet ideas for you. From trendy fashion pieces to cute amigurumi and practical home decor, this list will keep your hooks busy all year long. So grab your yarn, hit that like and subscribe button and let's jump in. I've also put a Pinterest board together for you with all these amazing ideas. I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description box, so don't forget to check this out. All these ideas are free or maybe paid patterns or tutorials. You will find oversized cardigans or spring summer cardigans with boho flare. You will also find shawls and scarves, bucket hats, beanie, gloves, fingerless gloves, lacy summer tops, or sweater dresses, beach cover-ups, also a lot of home and decor projects like blankets and wall hangings, plant hangers, coasters, table runner, all kind of home decor. You will also find bags and accessories. You will also find the baby and kids projects like sweaters, just wearables and amigurumi and activity toys. And also you will also find seasonal and holiday ideas for Christmas. Easter is just around the corner, right? Valentine's Day, Halloween, so all kind of stuff. Is there any project you'd love to see me recreate? Drop your ideas in the comments and I might just crochet it next. Who knows? Which crochet project are you excited to try first? Let me know also in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more crochet inspiration, tutorials and patterns. If you're looking for crochet patterns, check out my Etsy shop in the description below. So I hope this video gave you some ideas on what to crochet in 2025. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. In the meanwhile, enjoy this video till the end and wish you all happy crocheting. Bye!
designs are one of a kind. Threads and hooks that twist and bind. Disco dreams and crochet art. Julie's craft a glowing heart. Julie's got her hook and yarn, crafting dreams till break of dawn, turning threads into magic spells in the glow of disco bells. Zurich nights, they light the sky. Julie dances oh so high. With each spin and stitch she flies. Indigo threads tell no lies. Strobe lights flash and yarn unfurls. Julie's moves like cosmic swirls. In this handmade wonderland, disco beats and crochet strands. Patterns weave a tale so bright under disco's dazzling light. Julie's needle strikes again, craft and dance in perfect blend. Strobe lights flash and yarn unfurls. Julie's moves like cosmic swirls. In this handmade wonderland, disco beats and crochet strands. Her designs are one of a kind. Threads and hooks that twist and bind. Disco dreams and crochet art. Julie's craft aglow